Hello, everyone. Uh, my name is
Hi,
yeah,
Rajesh.
my name is Nittin. So, first of all, we from EisenVault, we hope you, your family, and your friends are all safe and healthy. I guess this is a tough time for everyone. The world seemed to be divided by this pandemic, but I guess we are all united in the spirit and resolved to fight this virus. And if we all do our part, I guess things will eventually get better.
Even
So, one significant consequence of the current situation is that I guess business all over the world have taken a big hit. So, we at EisenVault, we just wanted to make you aware that we are here working remotely. All of our employees are working from home, and are in this time we are helping all our clients in all for all the support or any challenges they are facing for using in Eisenwald. So any trainings, anything will definitely are there to help our clients out. So this webinar, we just like to introduce a couple of features which have been rolled out in previous 1 month or so to our clients. So we thought that it is the best time to demonstrate our features. So Rajesh from my team we'll be demonstrating today all these features. And if you have any questions and queries regarding any of the features or maybe apart from any of these features, so definitely you can type it in the chat box. Okay, and we'll be glad to answer all your queries. And once the session is over, we will try to showcase all your queries, or maybe we'll try to handle all your queries and answer them out. So I would request, if you have any questions, just type in the chat box or wait for the session to be complete. Thank you, everyone, and for joining this. I would pass over to my colleague Rajesh to take it further, and let's just begin. Over to you, Rajesh.
Thank you, Nithin. Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule and joining us for this webinar today. Okay, I hope you all are well and staying safe. Let me uh, introduce about me. My name is Rajesh Barnwal. I work here as a customer success manager. My responsibility is to work with you and see how Eisenwood can help you with one of the mission critical priorities, which is document storage, security, accessibility. Okay, so let me start over with the new features and begin with login. So these are the topics: subscribe, unsubscribe, set expiry date to document, seek permission, public share, reports for admin. And after this call, we'll answer all the questions of you. I'm switching to login page. So this is the login page. So I'm logging with my admin. So the first topic that the first new feature is subscribe and unsubscribe. So basically the subscribe features is so whenever the file changes or modified or the new version created, you will get an email notification if the user is subscribed to that particular document. Okay, so document library, then we'll upload files here. Okay, so this is the file. So let me subscribe to the this document. Okay, So now I'm subscribed. Let me edit this file, and the admin will get notification because this is subscribed to admin. So admin will get notification once the changes are made.
So this is Vipul. Just to give an overview of what Rajesh is trying to achieve. What he's showing us is that if you've subscribed to a document, then every time you make a change to that document, you will get an email notification telling you that the document is changed. So that is what he's trying to demonstrate right now. So you can see the subscribe and unsubscribe buttons. And that's why he was in his email earlier to see if the email notification has come. So back to Rajesh. Rajesh, please.
Yeah. So see, earlier the 100 KB files I uploaded, now I'll get notification that updated document file in the webinar department. So whatever the department you changes, whoever subscribe to this document will get notification. And same with the unsubscribe. If you don't want any notification to any document, you can just click on unsubscribe. Like if I want to unsubscribe to this document, the successfully removed. Subscriber is successfully removed. You can see the subscriber is none. So the next is expiry date. So suppose this is the document, this is a legal document, and there are so means you have so many documents that have expiry date and you don't remember. So you can set expiry date to document and will get notification in an interval of 60 days, 30 days, 15 days, 7 days, 2 days, and 1 day. So how to set this expiry notification? First you have to add a aspect to that particular document. So let me add aspect of expirable document. Okay, so apply changes. So see, earlier there is no expiry date things. Now I can set expiry date. Let me add some, like this is the uh, on 30th of April this document will expire. So when I click save, so every means in the time of the interval time given, like 60, 30, 15, 7, 2, and 1 day. So in this time interval you will get notification at 12 a.m. in the morning. So currently I'm not able to show you that email, but this is the process actually. Okay, so this is the expiry date. If you want to set some expiry date to any document, you can set it to. And the third is the seek permission. So seek permission is basically the role, the user who have a role of viewer consumer, and they want to be manager to any document, they can seek a permission to admin that I want a permission to this document with the, it's up to the admin that he wants to give the permission or not. Okay, so let me show you one thing. So how let me show you exactly how it's happened. So in, so here is the seek permission icon, you just click it here. And if you want a collaborator or manager of this document, just click it here. Reason, what's the reason? Wants to change. So here, till what date you want this access for this particular file? You can set it to like next 2 days or next 3 days. You'll just set this and click it OK. So in this admin, my task, you will receive like, I want to edit this, want to change something. So this is the actual file. So it will come to admin. Now it's up to admin, you want to give permission or not. So let me approve this file. Now it's approved. So now the user have access to edit or modify that particular document. The the next feature is
So,
public.
Rajesh, just to interrupt you briefly.
uh,
So, just to recap, this was
hmm,
the seek permission feature, which is uh, basically visible to users with consumer access
hmm.
on various documents. And let's say if the user wants a top level access, then they can use the feature the way Rajesh just mentioned.
So the next is public share. So public share is basically it's accessible to manager and collaborator only. So suppose if you want to share some document outside this DMS, so you generate a public link and you can share with the email, in your email. Okay. So so this is the document I want to share publicly. So just click it here. Public link will create it automatically. You have to just copy this link. I'll show you in the private window. So when you click on this link, this screen will show like this. You can download this file, and same with the folder also. I'll show you with the folder. Okay. If I want to make a public this folder, it will ask you how many days you want to. So let me put 1 day. Okay. So the new link is created. You just copy this link and share it with whom you want to share. See, under this folder, one file is available. So just click on this. The file will download it and you can check that file. This is the public share. And the last is reports. So basically this reports is only for the admin. So admin, this is the admin login. So I'll just click on the department statics or the user report, user connection reports. So in this report, you can check how many users never logged in or who is currently using from what date. So it's changes if you want to this report in a days, week or month. So it's up to you. If you want to check how many users are logged in today in this portal, in this sisters. So I can click on this. So only two users, test 3 and the admin is the only user who is connected today with this, and who never log in. There are 51 users. So you can check actually ki how many users are currently using my using this this DMS or not. So okay, and same with the volumetry also. You can check which doc how many documents. It's a volumetry. So you can actually check how many documents are in this DMS till in this month actually. So till date 6.36 GB is right. You can check it with the week also and days also. So in this week only 13 to there are 6.36 GB documents are uploaded in this. So you can check it as a department wise also. If I've clicked on the different department like webinar, so now the volumetry change into MB because only 421 MB is uploaded in this week. So that shows. And same with the user connection. If you want to check in the department also which department users are currently using or not, so you can check it here. So let me show with the webinar department I created. So these two users who is currently using and these three users who have never logged into this department. Now, Nitin, I just over to you if you want to add something.
Rajesh, you can miss the overall used. You need to click on overall use and show that.
Okay, so it's overall usage. So, okay, sorry. So which is the four most read document recent in this week is a file sample 100 KB and four most modified files that you can see it here. So it's a doc file, it's a PPT, and it's a PDF file. And and same you can change if you want to check with the department also. You can select the department, which department you want to check. Let- So now this change. Only one document that is most modified and most read is the same document. Over to you, Nitin.
Thanks, Rajesh. So, I guess there were a few points which I would like to add over here. So, talking about the first feature which Rajesh told about the subscription and unsubscribe. So, you might consider like when you want to subscribe the individual document, you can subscribe by Spectro and clicking on the subscribe button, or you can unsubscribe. However, if Rajesh, if you could go in that document library, please, once.
Yes.
Yeah.
So for
Just go in any department. So you cannot just subscribe to individual document, because I can see, I can understand there'll be like a bunch of documents or multiple documents which user would like to subscribe. So say this is a testing folder and you might have multiple documents to it. You can just select that folders you want and go into selected items, and you can subscribe to all the documents in one particular go. Alternatively, say if you want to subscribe for other individuals as well, so you need not wait for them or you ask them to subscribe. So if you have, you just Raj, can you open any document apart from any document? So you
okay.
can subscribe on others people behalf too. So when you have any document open, you click on edit properties. Just open from over here itself, Rajesh. Yeah. So click on edit properties. Yeah. So you see subscribe on the top when you see subscriber. So if you have the edit rights, you can choose other users and subscribe on their behalf as well. So if you click on select, Rajesh. Yeah. So if you search for Nitin, say you can click on plus and now you click OK and save it. So Nitin will be subscribed to this particular document. So any changes happen, so it's not just the admin. Nitin will too get notified on the email that and this the modification has been taken place or this document has been modified on this particular date. So the notification on a real time basis, any changes happen on that particular document, it is the system will trigger the notification instantly, so you don't need to wait for the entire recent activity emails just for the update. Apart from it, the expiry alerts. So again, this subscription feature will give you expiry alerts, not just the update. So people who are subscribed for the documents will also receive expiry alerts using the same subscription method. So this subscriber not only gives you for the updates, but for the expiry. So expiry will be in set of reminders like 60 days prior to expiry date, 30 days, 15 days, 7 and 1 day. So there are like seven different reminders which are currently are being scheduled at 12 a.m. Or maybe in some for some clients it could be 10 a.m. or 8 a.m. Depends. So that can be managed, that can be changed according to time. So if you think that you need a different interval or different time zone, we can discuss it with the development team and you can write to the support team and we can figure it out what best suits you. So seek permission, which Rajesh should. I guess that was the best thing. Like sometimes what happen is users may find it difficult to edit the files they want to add it, and they just have consumer rights or viewer rights. So seek permissions, give users this opportunity, this functionality that they can ask superior or maybe the admin role and ask them role for just single document rather than whole changing the role entirely in department or at folder levels. So this functionality help us to give a role to any particular user who is asking for a role just for the edit or making any some modifications to a file for a limited period of time. So once that is done, so once the modifications are done or maybe the date has arrived, so the automatic system revokes the right, so they get the default permission, maybe the viewer or the consumer. So with this, I like to there's a couple of features which we have introduced, and we are definitely working on new features, upcoming features, which we'll be working on more webinars, upcoming webinars, and demonstrating more features and explain you thoroughly how you can benefit out of current features or maybe some modifications are required as per your requirement, as per your need, then we'll be happy to discuss. So waiting for questions. As of now, I haven't received much questions. So if any people have questions, so definitely they can please unmute themselves and speak up. I'll be happy to answer. You can unmute yourself and you can ask question or you can also type in your questions in the chat box if you have any.
Hello.
Hi Amit.
Hi, Nittin. This is Amit from Dhoon School.
Hi Amit. Yeah.
Just as a bit I have the way you are giving a permission to add the document for a consumer.
Yeah.
In terms of like a collaborator have a permission to add the document, and they can't delete the document.
That's right.
But sometimes suppose he or she have want to delete the document which he have added or she have added.
So yes, what they can do is they can again, as I said, the seek permission will be happy because of security features, because of the c- concerns raised by many of our clients that delete rights because most happens that most of the users somehow delete confidentials or maybe in some assets, information assets might be deleted mistakenly, not maybe not knowing, but mistakenly from the system. So we have kept delete rights with certain roles only, maybe limited to managers or the admin itself. What collaborators or other people, they can do it even if their own documents. They can seek use the seek permission functionality. So automatically the task will be raised, assigned to the admin, or admin can approve, and they will have the manager rights, and then they can delete the file if they want. So also it will trace that document and workflows that, okay, there were so many requests raised by Amit or so, which user, this particular user, that for managerial rights for this document, and this document was deleted or modified.
Okay, okay. Like we can give a seek permission for deleting the document as well. You want to say? Is it?
Yes, yes. So that there's a different roles which you can ask for. That is, higher roles are manager, collaborator, contributor, and once you have those roles, so if you have asked for manager, then of course you get the delete rights.
Okay.
Okay, so another question is from Harish. I guess these features can be implemented in the existing application. Yes, of course they can be implemented, and most of these features are already live on for all our clients. If somehow any of this feature is missing from your instance, then definitely you can write to our support email, and we'll be glad to deliver it to you. We'll definitely send the list of features added over the email. Okay, so another question from Bindish is that, is there any difference between subscribe and manage rules? Yes, there's a lot of difference. So subscribe, add, explain as the given demonstration. Subscribe is just to get the notification. You're subscribed for the updates. You're subscribed for the expiry alert. So any modifications happens, any or the document is about to expire, whether it's a contract, whether it's invoice or anything else. So you get the notification if you're subscribed to document. For the rules, so rules are like a, a mechanism to automate certain functionality, like if you use Outlook application, so there are certain rules which you can create, that if you receive an email from Nitin Kakkar, then automatically there's a folder called Nitin, and all the emails are routed to that particular folder whenever you receive email from me. So similarly, there are rules which can be triggered using manage rules, like whenever a PDF application, PDF files is uploaded, it automatically runs an OCR on it. Or maybe whenever the file is uploaded, Nitin can be notified too that there's a file been uploaded. Or maybe if you can rename the files as well using the managing rules, or you can create copy the files from another folder to another folder, or move the files. So that's how you can trigger some, you can automate the actions using the rules actions. So more, we can definitely use this manage rule as one of our topic in our upcoming webinars to explain it thoroughly. Link it with SAP code. We can definitely discuss that out with your development team. So it will be collaborative effort. We'll be happy to discuss it offline. So you can definitely write to up. We have noted this request, Harish, and our support team will contact you further to discuss this integration. So how these features can be added into on-premise setup? So we have already contacted our clients. We push these features on a regular basis on our cloud and on-premises accounts. So on-premise account, we take the remote access of the servers and push it as an updated patches. So if you're using one of our on-premise accounts, so support team might have already updated these features, contacting your IT team. If not, then you can request writing it to our support team. Any more questions, anyone?
Just one more question I have. Hello, could you
Yeah,
hear me?
yeah, I can hear you.
As now lockdown is going on, suppose we are exploring something in the Sizen world.
Okay,
If we face any doubt,
okay.
then we could call you only directly, I think. Or
Definitely, you can write to support. So we all are working. Our email has been. We all have access to our emails. We have access to our phones. So definitely, we are here to help you out. It's though there is a lockdown, we cannot. We are not operating by office, but all our employees are working from home. So if any issues, any challenges, any training required, we'll be glad to help you out.
Actually, just I was saying that because maybe I will explore the features which you have said today.
Yeah,
So if something gets wrong, that's why I'm asked.
yeah.
Thank
You,
you.
of course, you can approach me individually as well. No worries.
And also for all our customers, the landline number on a website for support is being forwarded to mobile numbers now. So even if you call us on the landline number, the calls are forwarding to mobile numbers. So you'll be able to reach us even if you call us on a landline number for support.
And to add to that, on our main website, there is a WhatsApp link on top. You can click that to WhatsApp us as well. We have WhatsApp support also now.
Great. So I guess we'll be concluding here our session. So okay, we have one more question. So from Harish. Yes. So see the search. Of course, you can search using from the keywords. No matter it's in the file name or maybe from the metadata, but you can search it from the complete database as well. Like as I said, the Word, Excel, PDF. If there's OCR for the scan one, so we run a the files indexing is done on a full text in search. So whatever is written in the content, even in maybe page one, page two, or page 100, and so on. So all the keywords are indexed in a database. So wherever the words are written in the file, just you can search it using the search box or maybe the advanced search to filter it down using the metadata as well. Yeah, sure. Rajesh, if you could show us how the search works, there is a request from our user. Just show them normal search first and then the advanced search. Search for anything.
Search for file.
You can type in the word Eisen. So as you see with the word Eisen, it's just taking you to the file names Eisen. Okay, I guess someone from development team had. Can you check is the system working or someone took it off?
It's working.
Okay. So you can see the word Eisen. It gives you all the files which are present EisenVault, not just in one single department, maybe in other departments too. But you can use like multiple keywords. Just type in any other keyword over here, maybe laptop or something or something. All right. So you see over here, it's just picking up. So as you can see, release notes does not include laptop as a file name, but maybe somewhere in the file, the keyword the laptop might be present. So just open this file, release notes. Yeah. So the laptop is not anywhere in the what you call as the file name or maybe in the metadata, but laptop might be written somewhere in the file in any of the page. So if you click on this search icon on the near the maximize button in the preview page, just click on the search, not maximize, search button. Just type in the word laptop. So you see this takes you right away to the page. So this laptop, I mean the keyword laptop is being on the page number 2, but it gives you the result and the search whenever you try to search for the file. So that's how the search works. So search can be anywhere, any word written on any page of the file, and you'll have the results. I hope that answers your query. Any other questions anybody would like to ask right now? So yes, the same keyword can would be present in other files as well. So you can use multiple keywords as a combination, or you can use advanced search to narrow down to for your results. So, for example, say just go back to the search page, Rajesh.
Yes.
Yeah. So just type in laptop again, and just you can use like a combination of like plus or minus. So just type in plus release. Type in release. No, type. Don't click on that.
Okay.
Laptop plus release. Spelling. Yeah. Just give the spaces in between, I guess. Laptop space plus space release. So you see now, as previously, the laptop gave you like maybe more than five of results, but now I've just used laptop plus release. So wherever laptop is there and wherever the release words appear, both appears, both of these words, only those files are being displayed. Rest have been omitted in the results. So otherwise, if you change this from minus instead of plus, Rajesh, can you change it? Yeah. So now you see the release notes have been omitted because now we have subtracted the release. So wherever the laptop is present, accept the release combination. So you can filter those results. So that's one way to do it. You can use multiple set of keywords like keyword combination using plus minus, or similarly go to just advanced page, please. The advanced search, please. Yeah. So if you have classified, you categorize your documents. Okay, you have set them during the upload that how do you want to tag it as invoice, or you want to tag it as contract, or maybe some employee file, or any other specific related file which is there in the system. So you can click on advanced search and go for that particular content only. So just click on look for. Rajesh, can you drop down? So you can select from your whatever the category you're looking for. Say you want to looking for contract. So just select contract. So this is the first step. You've already the selected rest of the results. So you are looking only you'll the this page will only look for the contract files only. Now you can use this field combination. Say I'm looking for contract second party, maybe I can type in the word EisenVault. That's the second party. So you are looking contracts only for EisenVault, nothing else. So maybe it will give you the results only related to contracts and the second party wherever the Eisenwald is. So that's how you can more thoroughly narrow down, filter down your search results. If maybe the Eisenwald may be like hundred of places, thousands of places, could be common. But this will give you maybe 5 or 10 results where you're only limited to contract and second party Eisenwald. So yeah, that's how the Boolean search works, Amit. With you can use multiple combinations, like I demonstrated, like the plus minus. That's one way to do it. You can use like inverted commas for specific phrases, and so we have a DMS search. All those keywords mentioned on our support page. You can go through that, and it'll give you exact idea how to use those phrases, or maybe like you can use the word uploaded colon, then tag in the username, so it might give you the results of all those users, the files uploaded by all those users. So that's how you can also search for those files. Yes, whenever we can upload emails from Outlook to the EisenVault app. EisenVault DMS, sorry. So you can download our email Outlook plugin, okay? And you can, once you have it in your Outlook, you can save your emails and attachments directly to the Outlook. Okay. Any more questions, anyone? Okay. Last call for any questions. If anyone have any questions, we'll be glad to answer. All right. So I guess that's it for today. So please follow our EisenVault channel for more updates. Stay tuned. We will be uploading this webinar on our YouTube for users who have missed, or maybe for you to follow. If you have missed anything, you want a re-demonstration, then you can definitely write to us. We'll be uploading more feature updates on our YouTube, and we'll be sending you the updates for recent rollouts or upcoming rollouts as well. So anyone feel like any additional training is required, or any support required for any of the features, or if anything is missing, or if you'd like to customize anything, then do write to support@eisenwall.com, and we'll definitely revert to you. Thanks everyone for joining this webinar and making this successful. And I just hope, just be safe, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.